Tube and cube. Why are the vowels in these words pronounced differently in the American accent? In the history of English, we used to pronounce the long U sound, ooh, with a ya sound at the beginning, like we still do for words like cube and fuel. But in the American accent, there are now 6 letters that cancel out this ya sound. If a long U sound comes after a T, D, N, L, S, or Z, we pronounce the long U as a simple ooh. This is called dropping the yod, yod being the name of the ya sound. And it's a big difference between American and British English. In the UK, they say tune, but Americans say tune. They say assume, we say assume. Remember, anytime the long U sound, ooh, comes after a T, D, N, L, S, or Z, the American accent drops the yod, the ya sound.